I'm Marketing Manager Ann Ewald. Welcome to the Accelerated Cooking Products Culinary Center. Aren't home microwaves the same as commercial microwaves? What's the big deal? Who cares about having a commercial microwave in their business? We care, and so should you. I'll tell you why. How often does your business use a microwave? How often do you use a microwave at home? Most families use their microwaves only a few times a day, maybe a couple of times at lunch and again at dinner. The residential microwave is designed for use several times per day. On the other hand, microwaves in a food service operation are used 50 to 200 times per day. For example, convenience store microwaves are constantly used by many different people, which means more wear and tear. Even in a commercial kitchen where the same staff members use the equipment, there's another factor to consider: high humidity and temperatures that can exceed 100 degrees Fahrenheit. ACP microwaves are designed to withstand these harsh conditions. Also, a wider variety of menu items are cooked in commercial settings. Amana commercial microwaves can be custom programmed to ensure consistent results every time, no guesswork required, and no disappointed customers. There are major construction differences between a commercial microwave and a residential microwave. ACP ovens are held to much higher standards than residential ovens. The door latch on Amana commercial microwaves are built and tested to withstand up to 200 uses per day. The fan runs for 1 minute after each cook cycle to properly cool components, extending the life of the oven. One of ACP's best commercial features is the keypad. It's a one-button show. The keypad can be pre-programmed with unique cook times or used right out of the box with factory-installed settings. Employees only need to push one button and cooking is underway. Keypads are larger and easier to see than those on residential ovens too. Icons overcome literacy barriers, and most ACP keypads include Braille for ADA compliance. Our comparison wouldn't be complete without a look at the heart of the microwave, the magnetron. In commercial microwaves, energy is delivered into the cavity with a magnetron and a waveguide. The waveguide rotates and distributes the microwave energy evenly. Residential ovens have a dump system with a magnetron but no waveguide. That's why they require a turntable to distribute microwave energy. This often results in uneven and inconsistent cooking results. Who hasn't burned their mouth on a microwaved burrito only to find the center is frozen solid? Plus, there's the hassle of cleaning the turntable or replacing it when it's lost or broken. Which brings up a good question: what happens when something breaks down? When a residential oven breaks down, there's only one option: toss it in the dumpster. However, replacement parts are readily available for ACP microwaves. There's no need to scrap the oven. Just make one toll-free call and it's ComServe to the rescue. ACP also provides comprehensive warranty coverage. When a residential oven is installed in a commercial setting, the warranty is not honored by the manufacturer. Finally, buy commercial microwave ovens so your business will not be at risk. Using residential ovens in commercial kitchens can expose operators to safety hazards, liability claims, voided insurance claims in cases of fire, health inspector violations, and frequent replacements. Why buy Amana commercial and Menu Master commercial ovens? For peace of mind and dependable operation. ACP commercial microwaves meet the requirements of insurance policies and health inspectors. Our ovens are tested to higher standards for safer operation and to withstand the wear and tear of rigorous commercial settings. ACP offers warranty protection and simple servicing. Stop spending time and money replacing residential ovens in your business. Buy ACP because we're changing the way the world cooks.